Hey there, Amazon shoppers. It's Amy with 911 Studios. And today, you guys, we are talking about our favorite outdoor products. I absolutely love this. It's from Sunny Days and it is their crossweave pattern outdoor fire pit. You guys, this is one of the nicest fire pits that I've seen on Amazon, and I've looked at a lot of them. This one has the crossweave pattern, which just makes it match anything and look a little bit elevated, a little bit more expensive. It has not only the spark screen, it's gonna make that safer for your yard, safer for you, safer for the kids and the pets. So happy that they have that spark screen, but also it comes with a cover. Most of the fire pits on here do not come with the cover, and that is just so important. It's just going to help your fire pit last a lot longer. It means you don't have to move it in and out from the outdoors. You can just leave it where it is. One less thing to worry about. And of course, if you have that cover on there, it's going to make sure that every time you use your fire pit, it's nice and dry and ready to go. You don't have any obstacles to starting the perfect bonfire. This is actually a larger size. It's 36 inches. A lot of the ones on here are a little bit smaller, like in the 20-inch range. So you've got a full 3-foot diameter, so it's really, really big enough for people to actually gather around and give you that bonfire feel. Even though it is a little bit larger, it's still going to be lightweight and easy for you to move. So if you're taking this with you camping or to the beach, or just moving it around the yard, this is going to be easy enough for anyone to simply move, easy to put together, and really, really cool, you guys. This is what it's gonna make you want to definitely buy this without any sort of apprehension. Sunny Days offers a full 1-year warranty, so you know that they stand by their products, so you can feel really, really confident. So go ahead and put this in your cart. You'll be super happy you did.